Hello guys! You want to know your YouTube watch hour and also your YouTube subscribers? Okay, let's go. I will show you how to know or how to show you the YouTube subscribers or YouTube watch hour. So how many watch hour you have now and how many subscribers you have now. So first you have to go to your YouTube account. Okay, so click the YouTube, go to your YouTube studio. Okay, so there you click the 365 days, that is actually equivalent for 1 year. So in a year I have 125,024 watch time in a minute, but then I want to know my watch time in hour. So what I have to do? Okay, so first you have to divide it 125,024 by 60 because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay, so 125,024 divided by 60, so that is actually my watch time in hour 2083. Okay, so now the other way of knowing the watch hour is by means of Chrome. So you go to your Chrome and search YouTube Studio. So there you can see the channel monetization or the YouTube Studio. You click it and then just wait for a minute. Okay, so there you can see. Okay, so you have to click the $sign for monetization or for you to know your subscribers and also your public watch hour. Then you have to be sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. So I am already logged in with my YouTube account, which is the Explorer. So there I have here my monetization of the